WHO and UNICEF suggest that a baby should be breastfed from when they are born all the way up to 6 months of age, which means that for the first 6 months, a baby is solely dependent on the mother's milk for the nutrition. Scary, isn't it? It's a big responsibility. However, as long as you know the benefits of breastfeeding, it makes the journey easier. Hi, I'm Ashima Kakkar, and today on behalf of Girls Buzz, I'm going to talk to you about breastfeeding. So breastfeeding does not just benefit the baby, it also benefits the mother. So we're going to cover both the topics today. Let's first talk about how the milk benefits the baby. Breastfeeding or the breast milk the first milk is called colostrum, and it's very high in nutrition and antibodies, which means that the baby is able to get all the nutrition that they require via this milk. They also have a high load of antibodies, which means they're able to get that fighting power against all sorts of germs and diseases through the milk. It's also milk that is easy to digest for the baby. Going on to the benefits for the mother, it helps make this bond between the mother and the baby for a lifetime. It also helps the mother, the uterus of the mother, to shrink at a faster rate, which means that the amount of bleeding postpartum or post-delivery is reduced. It's said to help shed off some of the pregnancy weight, and it's also said to reduce the risk of ovarian and breast cancer.
Now that you know what are the benefits of breastfeeding for you and your baby, let's look at some tips on how to prepare yourself for breastfeeding. Number 1, talk to other nursing mothers. Learn from their experiences. 2, read books on breastfeeding or go to breastfeeding classes and familiarize yourself. 3, know the benefits of breastfeeding for you and your baby, which you've just done. 4, and most important, take good care of yourself. Motherhood is a new life and you need to allow yourself the time to adapt to it.
Apart from that, you can take help of accessories that are now available in the market, things that help make this journey easier. What I'm talking about is things like feeding bras, feeding clothes, which help breastfeeding make it easier, and things like the lanolin cream for sore nipples, or breast pump, which we use to pump out excess milk, which can be stored the proper way and is waiting for the baby. A feeding pillow actually helps to prevent a sore back as well. So if you go out and get hold of these products, it will make that journey easier.
A word of caution. Please do talk to your healthcare provider if you have any issues, doubts or concerns regarding breastfeeding.
I hope this video helped you today to learn some of the benefits of breastfeeding and to make this journey easy. If you like the video, please do share it, subscribe to the channel, and ring the little bell on the side and talk to all your friends about this. Thank you.